Because in order to understand what the self is, you have to remember that it doesn't need to remember anything. Just like you don't need to know how you work your thyroid gland. Only we've got this little partial view, we've got the idea that no, I'm just something in this body. The ego. That's a joke. The ego is nothing other than the focus of conscious attention. It's like a radar on a ship. The radar on a ship is a troubleshooter. Is there anything in the way? And conscious attention is a designed function of the brain to scan the environment, like a radar does, and note for any trouble-making changes. And if you identify yourself with your troubleshooter, then naturally you define yourself as being in a perpetual state of anxiety. So you could imagine, you see, the universe is a vast, vast system of vibrations and has infinite possibilities. Only you don't have to remember the past in the same way you don't have to think about how you work your thyroid gland or whatever else it is in your organism. You don't have to know how to shine the sun. You just do it. Like you breathe. Doesn't it really astonish you that you are this fantastically complex thing? And that you're doing all of this and you never had any education in how to do it? And become aware that we are the whole organism. You realize that as a first thing how harmonious it all is. Because your organism is a miracle of harmony. All this thing functioning together. And you suddenly realize that everything that you are and do is at that level. Magnificent and as free of any blemish as the patterns in waves. For example, we have a small band of what we might call a spectrum of light, of sound, of tactile sensation and so on, to which the human organism is sensitive. But we know that outside that small band there is a huge range of vibrations. What you do is you pick out with your fingers, select just like on the piano, you don't go brum, you pick out certain notes, and these make the patterns. But at the same time as you pick out, you reject what you don't pick out. But it's all there, constituting a fundamental continuity. pretending with tremendous skill and deception.